I just got off my first flight, or the first flight, and now I have to get on the second one because it's a connecting flight. A little bitty word to the wise. Just because they have flights at 5 a.m. does not mean you should take them. No, just kidding. It was actually not bad. It wasn't bad. I was just editing the entire time, so I have 1.5 videos done right now, which is good. And I guess I'll finish the other one on the way to Florida. And yeah, right now I'm walking to my gate just to try to figure out where I'm going, and then maybe if I'm hungry, I'll get something to eat. It's like I already have food packed. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. The frick? I didn't think we was gonna be on the same flight. I saw there was another flight that was coming after me. So I was like, ain't no way she gonna. Anna, how the heck you get here at the same time? We just got here. We left early. Because I told you it was like, it's never a lot of people. Oh, I guess they're here. I pulled an all-nighter. I'm tired. I'm not, and I pulled an all-nighter. See? I'm going back to sleep on the plane. Word to the wise, always pull an all-nighter.
Also, passenger.
Guys, whenever we get on the plane, you're gonna see I'm sitting right in front of her or right behind her. I don't remember.
The airport is paging Raymond Plunkett. Raymond Plunkett. Please return to the American Airlines ticket counter.
We will be boarding shortly.
Once again, the airport is paging Raymond Plunkett.
Y'all, those people are going to Jamaica.
And that's where we're going next June.
Next June, we're claiming it. Manifesting it.
Feel it.
Feel it. Everybody feel it. We can feel it. Next June, we're going to Jamaica, period. Look at that lady behind you. Period. You see it? You see it? Say cheese. Last time we did this, we got stranded.
Oh, God.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out.
Hello, guys. I slept the majority of the flight. I was going to get a snippet of Anna sleeping too. She don't want to tell you guys that. She fell asleep.
See what was said, and if we keep this in the vlog. I said we'll see what was said, and if we keep this in the vlog.
I should have given you where's the leg? I will be happy since best of me. You don't care. Times I read in your sense, this is hurt. Trying to make some simple change to be a warrior.
So here's our room. When we walked in and I opened this door and saw this mirror, oh, that scared me. Ooh, the reflection. Anyway, yes, this is our room, and I'm excited. I'm so excited. Look at the view. All water. How does that make you feel? So now we're gonna change and get ready to go to brunch because it's still super early in the morning. I feel like it should be like 2 o'clock, but it's not.
Yeah, I feel like we've been traveling all day.
Right, but yeah, so we're just going to change and go have some fun. She's calling the mother. See you later. So we are done getting ready. My lash is lifting right here, honey. It's lifting, it's lifting, it's lifting. But you know, this just is what it's gonna be. It'll look cute in the pictures. Show us your fit. Okay, period. Yes. Anyway, so we're about to go to brunch now. And yeah, we will update you guys whenever we get there. Talk to you guys later. We just placed our orders. We are eating at, what is it called? Whiskey Joe's. And I got the pizza, the 3-cheese pizza. What'd you get? Whiskey burger in paradise. Period. And apparently it's like, it has like pineapple glaze on it. That sounds really good, actually. Yeah, we'll show you what it looks like. But this is what it looks like right outside. This is the view. Okay, one second. Like, see. I'm a silhouette, but you can see like the ocean right there. It's really pretty. And we were hoping to be able to take pictures today, but it looks like it'll be raining.
Oh no, we're taking pictures. I like this outfit.
So, well, there's that. But yeah, hopefully it clears up and the sun comes up a little bit because I really want some pictures with the sun.
I sent Mama picture.
Send Mama a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. We got our food. I ordered the 3-cheese pizza and she ordered the burger. And everything looks so good. And yes, we are starving now, so we are about to eat. It is raining so hard.
Shower for a reason.
That is just a figment of your imagination. Oh, why y'all
They're walking around
out?
with trash bags.
They used to this. This Florida.
We are back in the hotel right now. We got, as you saw in the last clip, we got in the shuttle and came back to the hotel. It is raining so hard. So that means our pictures are postponed, or at least our pictures outside. We're going to try to take pictures elsewhere because we don't really feel like changing. Okay, I can't lie, like these lashes are actually getting on my nerves. But yeah, we don't really feel like changing, so we're going to try to take pictures elsewhere. And yeah, I will let you guys know what we're doing when we're doing it. And we're refreshing. How do you say that? Refreshing? We're getting ourselves together before we take our pictures, so I'll update you guys a little bit later. We are in the room right now. We just changed again for the 3rd time today. We're going to go out and take some more photos. As you can see, I have on a beanie or bandana right now and a bikini and a ponytail. I feel like it's cute. Sis is back there.
You guys want to see mine? So I'm going for the misguided look, like the beachy vibes. The hair is down, got a little bit of gold jewelry still going on, and I still can't decide between the shoes. What do you guys think? Definitely not these.
Comment down below any shoe ideas. We are just walking around now. I just got done taking some photos. I'm not sure how they turned out, but oh, that would have been cute. That's how it's pretty.
Yeah, it is.
But we will see once they are edited. Anyways, I look like a boy with this wind blowing my hair back. But yeah. This is what it looks like around us. So yeah, basically we're just walking on this stretch and surrounded by water. I love being surrounded by water. This area is just so pretty. Actually, it's all just pretty. But yeah, so I will update you guys later. Okay, we stopped to take some photos. It is so pretty right there, but unfortunately, you're a silhouette if you're trying to get that background. So
I thought you were gonna say I'm the deer.
well, you can't see you to
I
tell.
cut my finger.
She got Splinter trying to climb up a palm tree.
Trendy picture.
I mean, it came out kind of trendy, kind of overexposed to be honest, but yeah, I think we just need
First
to
injury of the trip.
First injury of the trip.
She's
Only injury of the trip. Hey, your braids look nice. The gold looks nice. The color looks nice. Flourishing. Me, on the other hand, my hair is sweated out. My ponytail keeps falling off because I had to use a scrunchie. I ran out of regular whatever, but like you see this, it keeps coming off, so I'm taking it off. It's just, it's not giving what it's supposed to do. So,
that's why they look delicious.
so I'm over it. So over it. I think it's time to wrap it up. What do you think?
You talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to go back to the house?
Come on, guys. A back bun with the rest of that stuff off for the win. Her, look at the edges, frizzing up, and that's on period. That's on natural hair. Well, guys, I think that concludes day 1 in Tampa.
I'm just kidding, I'm tired.
I'm tired too.
Look at that wreck of a room.
Look at the view. But yeah,
Ew, it almost looked like I had those.
I think that concludes day 1 in Tampa. No makeup for us. We took it off. So I am officially going to end this vlog. This vlog is probably long, so I don't know what. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye.